Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to ignore email conversations in Outlook on the web. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft. This will take you to the Microsoft Outlook web app, where you can access all your emails and manage your inbox settings directly from your browser. Once your inbox loads and you can see your emails, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon there, which represents your Outlook settings. Go ahead and click on this gear icon. This action will open the Outlook settings window, giving you access to various customization options for your email experience. After the settings window opens, you'll see several tabs listed in the left-hand menu. From these options, click on General. This section contains fundamental settings that control how Outlook behaves and interacts with you. Within the General tab, scroll down until you locate the Notifications section. This is where you can manage how and when Outlook alerts you about different types of activity in your inbox. Now, in the Notifications section, you'll see an option labeled Mail. This specific setting controls whether you receive notifications for email conversations, reactions, mentions, and other email-related activities. To stop being notified about email conversations, simply toggle this Mail option off. By doing this, you're effectively telling Outlook to ignore notifying you about new emails and conversation threads, which can be incredibly useful if you're dealing with a particularly busy or distracting email thread that you don't want interrupting your workflow. Once you've toggled the mail notifications off, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button located at the bottom right of the settings window and click on it. This ensures that your preferences are applied and will remain in effect moving forward. And that's it. You've successfully configured Outlook to ignore email conversation notifications, giving you more control over when and how you engage with your inbox. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.